I feel like the entryway is missing something. They call me the Asian Phenom, and I'm the best at what I do because I review everything from A to Z. Today we are going to take an exclusive look at the WICHEMI Tabletop Water Fountain. So this is their top of the line model, the tallest one too, style 21. And it's also the tallest one, reaching a height of 33 centimeters, so around 13 inches. Inside the packaging, you have a simple instructions guide. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you guys through it. And it comes with this pump and also LED light combo. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to assemble it. As you can see right there, it looks beautiful, and no, it does not smoke. It does really look realistic. You see the decor? Wow, it's got a good weight to it. It almost looks like real stone. You see the moss all throughout. It looks beautiful. But hold on a second. On the top, you also have this crystal ball. This is real glass, guys. This is beautiful right here. My first step is to rinse out any residue from the packaging, such as the styrofoam. Make sure it's nice and clean. My next step is to insert this LED light into the pipe right here. Make sure that goes all the way up. Okay. And then I'm going to insert the pipe into the pump opening right here. This provides the pump in action. And then I'm going to insert the pump inside the reservoir right here. Don't worry, because it is submersible. And here's the fun part. I'm going to look for a good location on where to put this beautiful fountain. I think I'll put it right here. Here we go. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Oh, wow. Look at it come down. Now I'm going to put the crystal ball on top. Look at that. There we go. See how it's spinning? And that range of colors. Oh, so soothing. Go ahead and turn off the light. This is what it looks like. Wow. So let's take a look at the back. I think I put too much water in the reservoir. Yeah. So if you put less water, you don't have to worry about splashing. I'm absolutely falling in love with this water fountain. Listen to how calming and relaxing the sound is. Imagine putting this in your bedroom to help you sleep better. You can use it as like a white noise, except this would be like a fountain or water noise. Or you could even put it in your nook or library. It'll help you relax and read your book. It also would be a great addition in the office, and we know how stressful that can be. And this is the perfect addition in my entryway, because coming into the house, going up the stairs, and facing this water fountain is good feng shui. So if you are in the market for the ultimate tabletop water fountain, definitely give the WICHEMI brand a look.